Cloud communications platform Twilio posting results after the bell yesterday. They beat estimates on both the top and the bottom line. However, the company projecting a full year 2020 loss compared to Wall Street forecasts of a full year profit. Stocks off more than 4% this morning. And joining us now for more on the company's quarter and the fierce competition in cloud is Jeff Lawson. He is Twilio co-founder and CEO. Do you think, by the way, Jeff, welcome. Do you feel like the market is reacting incorrectly to your quarter?
You know, I'll let the market decide what the market's going to do. What we're focusing on is building a great business here.
Okay, the two knocks sometimes you hear about Twilio are you guys had some billing issues. People want to know if those are resolved. I guess there was some overbilling in the past. You're correcting that, and that you're too heavy with just a couple of really big clients.
Well, thank you for the question. Regarding the billing, last quarter, we talked about a couple of process issues that did impact our quarter. We are absolutely confident in the process issues having been addressed, and that going forward, there won't be billing issues that become a matter for investors to worry about. We're absolutely confident about that. Regarding the customer concentration issue, when we went public almost 4 years ago, we did have a bigger customer concentration, but we have methodically reduced our top 10 customers as a percentage of our revenue over the past few years. And now we have a very distributed customer base, and we feel great about the customer concentration we have today.
Yeah, and and by the way, if I get this wrong, please, Jeff, jump in and say that's just incorrect. I mean, when you look at, people say, what does that mean, cloud computing, and what does Twilio do? When you have a communications with, say, a Lyft driver, and you're going back and forth on your phone, that's through your system, correct? You're generating a cell phone number and a point of contact. You're not actually texting the driver's personal cell phone. So you rely on mobile person-to-person or person-to-corporation communications. How big is that market ultimately?
Well, we see the market for communications in the enterprise to be a utterly astounding market. When you think about all communications, typically has been driven by hardware and physical networks, and that is all moving into software and into the cloud. And because of that, we are seeing amazing new use cases arise, like the one you mentioned, being able to call your driver. But that's not it. If you think about how often you now might get a text message notification from a company because your dinner table is ready, or your pizza is arriving, or your package just shipped, the number of ways in which we can communicate with businesses across a wide variety of channels, from voice to messaging to email, is exploding. And Twilio is powering a lot of those applications. We have over 178,000 active customers, representing everybody from startups that I'm sure you know about, and the digital disruptors like Uber and Lyft and Airbnb, all the way to the largest enterprises in the world. And yesterday we talked about Southwest Airlines becoming a customer of our Flex product, powering their contact center applications. It really is the power of communications transforming how companies engage with their customers across every touch point they have with their customers. And the market for that is utterly enormous.